up you guys? Welcome back to another great episode today. Okay, we are making the bell pepper chicken stew. The chicken what we are using in this recipe is the thigh meat, is boneless thigh meat of the chicken. If you go to a grocery store, just look for the boneless thigh meat. If you don't get the boneless thigh meat, try to get the chicken thighs and take the bones out of the thighs. So this is what you will get. This is all raw, this is all organic. Alright, so let's focus on the recipe. Straightforward as what we always do, right? So this is the meat. Try to cut the thighs into elongated form, vertical forms. So we need a little bit extra meat. So for this recipe I'm using 2 pounds of chicken thigh meat. And how many bell peppers? Oh yeah, we will be using at least three of the big bell peppers. So this is a thigh, right? Boneless, cut vertically. It goes all here. The best bell pepper chicken recipe is here, guys. The 2 pounds of chicken thigh meat is being cut, is being chopped. We will take some coconut oil, organic coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon. I would say just 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add all the meat. Another pan. So beautifully done, right? Himalayan pink salt. Add 1 whole tablespoon of it. Get the black pepper. Add 1 whole tablespoon of it. Give it a stir. This is 6 spoons of yogurt. You will add this. It will make the chicken initially softy. Put the lid on top of it and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. So in the meantime, what we will do, we will take the bell peppers and we will chop our bell peppers same way, vertically, a little bit longer form. So this pot. Okay, take here, put a knife here, and you just have to use this. This is a food fungus. Remove this. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's look inside. So it's creamily getting cooked. We'll give it a stir. See, the chicken already looks almost done. 3 of the bell peppers. But don't forget, the vegetables always shrink in size once they see the flame. So what we will do right now, we will let it cook on the open heat at least for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. This guy has been on the highest flame possible for the stove, and we will just give it a stir. Okay, if you guys see, the water is already almost done. If you ask me, the chicken is already done. Okay, the chicken is already cooked. So now let's move towards the next ingredients. We'll be using brown sugar, 2 whole spoons of brown sugar in here. Okay, and this is the regular soy sauce, 2 whole spoons of soy sauce. It will give the Asian, or what do you call it, the Chinese or Asian name is the best name for it. It will make extra flavor in our recipe. Alright, so you guys see the chicken looks good. The bell pepper chicken looks extremely actually good with adding these ingredients, and the flavors will pop up right now after 10 minutes. So once you add the brown sugar and the soy sauce, 2 teaspoons each, okay, for the 2 pound of chicken thigh, and the 3 bell peppers, and the 1 spoon of salt, pink salt, and what else? Comment down below and tell me what I'm missing. Cook it now for at least 10 more minutes. No more to put the lid on. And after 10 minutes, you'll be amazed by the results. So 10 minutes more. Ten minutes has been done. Okay, we will stir right now. It's on a high flame, you know, so we were not stir frying it, we were not doing this, but I was just giving you the easiest recipe here, where you don't have to do much. You don't have to spend $60 or $80 for the 2-person meal. So turn off the stove. It's done. It's already cooked. It's sticking to the pan. Once you add the sugar, the sauce gets more thicker, you know. Oh my god, look at this, how shiny, creamy, and juicy it looks. What else you want, guys? I mean, I'm giving you the best ever recipes. Cook at home. This is literally $20 spent, and 4 to 5 people easily can eat this. 5 more minutes. Our curry, our stew, our chicken with the peppers, the bell peppers, was getting settled down. I've made some white rice, our white rice. Okay, so this is, it depends. You make white rice, you make cauliflower rice, you make brown rice, it doesn't even matter. All right, so the rice are here in our dish, and I'll try to dress the rice with our bell pepper chicken right on top of it. Dude, come here. Yeah, it has all the sauce. Oh, the coconut oil smell, trust me, it's a bomb. The red bell pepper and the green bell pepper, they have formed a perfect blend right here, guys. Trust me, the chicken is super tender. So the whole bell pepper chicken stew is ready. It's a time to taste the recipe. So here goes the first bite. Okay, white rice, the bell pepper chicken is right on top of it. You will forget every Chinese place. Wow, the chicken. Check the chicken. Right? Every delicious Chinese place. You haven't added any wine, nothing alcoholic, nothing bad about this recipe. This is all good, this is all natural, and you'll get all the flavors in it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. This is so good. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, enjoy this recipe, make this recipe, you will be amazed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching again. Subscribe it, and once you subscribe the channel and watch the video, leave a comment and like it. Anyway, see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye for now. Let me eat this. More white rice. These are the basmati white rice though. Bro,